Hey guys, welcome to another amazing episode of Fishing with Aliex. Today we're talking about this Piscifun Honor 5000. Okay guys, so this reel has a direct drive system. What that is that this screw screws in directly to the gear, and what that does is that it gives it more power. Other reels like the Venom, as you can see here, do not have that. This handle passes through, so it's not directly screwed into the gear, it is screwed to this little knob on the other side. This one screws in directly into the gears and it has more power. So what do we get inside the box? We get the instructions, we get this little pin, this little screw right here, and we get the handle, the reel, and this pouch, this really nice pouch. I have mine already set up for the left hand position. If you want to put it on the right, all you have to do is remove this screw right here and then swap the screw inside for this one. So if you want to put the handle on the right, you have to use the screw that goes in the right, which is this one. You see, you put the little cover right here, and then the handle would just go in there like this. Then you screw it in. Use your screwdriver to properly screw it in. Alright, and then what you do is you just get your reel and you screw it in the handle. Like that. Sorry, screw it in, and then you put the little cap on the other side. And boom, and there you have it. Now you have a reel that you could reel in with your right hand. So that's how you change it from the left to the right. And if you want to change it to the left again, go ahead and do the same thing we did right here. So let's go ahead and go over some of the specifications that this reel has. It has a 4.3 to 1 gear ratio. It brings about 32 inches per turn. It has a drag of about 22 pounds. It holds about 285 yards at 18 pound mono, which is a lot. If you like mono and you want to put a lot of line on your reels, this is the one for you. Or you could put 410 yards of a 40 pound test braid. So this reel has a waterproof design. I was fishing with it in salt water. Water was splashing on it, and this thing is working like day one. Nothing really happened to it. I do recommend that you wash it down with fresh water, not a lot of water, just a little bit, to remove all that salt, because what happens is the salt gets inside things like this and it just messed up that. It has a stainless steel main shaft. You can see it right here, right there. This oversized hand is very comfortable, especially when you're fighting big fish. I like it a lot. It has a double seal bearing right here in the main shaft that makes it smoother. This reel has a high strength graphite body, side motor and rudder. It has 10+1 seal ball bearing system, premium aluminum machine gears that provides an outstanding gear feel and durability and performance. If you can see the spool design right here, it's designed so you're able to cast longer. I can tell you from experience, it surprised me how far I could cast with this thing with such a heavy line that I put here. This is a 40 pound test, and I was using a super light lure and I was able to cast really far away. The spool is designed that line goes in there and it doesn't get tangled. It's not the strongest 5000 reel and it's not the fastest one, but I noticed that for what I use it for, it's perfect, because I like to throw my lures out and bring them back real fast, and this thing only pulling about 32 inches per turn, it allows me to have that lure more time on the water and allows me to catch more fish. I'm not a technical fishing guy. I mostly fish with cut bait and things like that, and just having the reel design for that is, that is not that fast, allows me to get more fish. I'm gonna be putting Piscifun longer braided line on some of my reels. I got the 4000 size of the Honor. I'm gonna be putting 20 pound test on this reel because I want to take it out for a spin. So I just wanted to basically give you guys just a breakdown of this reel. I am now ready to make my review on it. So far it has performed really well in the water. Amazing reel. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to go ahead and check Piscifun Amazon site for more information, or piscifun.com. They sent me this reel for review, for testing. They didn't pay me any extra money, and you are sure to get my honest opinion about it. Again, my review of this Honor 5000 reel is coming up pretty soon.